I'm Dr. Sharon Saline, author of What Your ADHD Child Wishes You Knew, working together to empower kids for success in school and life. For almost 30 years, I've been working with children, teens, college-age adults, and their families who are living with ADHD. I've helped them argue less and connect more.
We want to, what I call, step up to the platform. You want to stand at the platform, look out at the valley, and see where you want to go, and make a plan for how you're going to traverse.
The frontal lobes are the directive capacities of the brain. They're like the film director. They tell different parts of the brain when to cue in and do their part.
My 5 C's approach: self-control, compassion, collaboration, consistency, and celebration will teach you positive, strength-based ways to do more of what works.
You can control and lower the volume on your anxiety by shifting consciously to curiosity. I wonder what's going to happen instead of I'm afraid of what's going to happen.
I've seen firsthand how parents and kids miss each other's signals and wind up angry, frustrated, and disconnected.
And I think that having those expectations and boundaries and clarifying it, and what I would say, because kids with ADHD are often respond well to visual cues and reminders, write things down, post it on your refrigerator, use little Post-its.
When you're arguing with your child, you're connected, but not in a way that feeds either of you. You know, it's a heart closing, not an opening.
Join me, build closer, calmer relationships, and feel better about yourself too.